2025 CR 013-734, 2025 CR 13732, State versus Rodney Wiggins. Can I have parties announced?
State. Ricardo Briones for Rodney Wiggins.
And are you Mr. Wiggins? Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Wiggins, in each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictments?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
State, and each cause number, you're proceeding on the indictments as presented?
Yes.
Mr. Wiggins, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? In each cause number, you're charged with burglary of a building. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering into these pleas, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in each case? Counsel, in each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Wiggins, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promise you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand? In each cause number, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? In each cause number, according to the plea, the cause numbers were run concurrently, and your punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility. There are no applications. Did you understand that to be your plea? Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Is our understanding, Judge?
In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
In 2025 CR 01373, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And cause number 2025 CR 013734, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And cause number 2025 CR 013732, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence to support the defendant's pleas?
Judge, we have to say exhibit number 1 and all attachments in all cases.
No objections, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will, just 1 second. Did you do trial court certifications?
You know, Your Honor, I don't think it was in the packet that I gave them. I do apologize.
All right, no problem.
Yeah, we can definitely get those done.
All right, they're over there.
Okay. You want me to do them now or?
Yes.
Okay.
In each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient. I'm sorry, I'll wait till he comes back.
This is the same document. If you want to put it in here. There it is. Here, Your Honor, may I tender the
Thank you.
ratification?
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations and it will accept the same into evidence. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty in each cause number. The court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 013736, the court will find you guilty as previously stated, sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 013732 and 2025 CR 013734. There's to be no contact with Steve and Sons at 157 Humble Avenue. And cause number 2025 CR 013734. As previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. Court will sentence you in 1 year in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 013732, 2025 CR 013736. And there's to be no contact with George Plumbing Company at 12 Burwood, BURWOOD Lane, 78218. And Cindy, are we on cause number 2025 CR 013732?
Yes, Your Honor.
You called them both, but, oh wait, that was the one that you're running it concurrent with me. Yes.
Okay. Next, we're proceeding in 2025 CR 013732. Court will find you guilty as previously stated. Court will sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 013734, 2025 CR 013736. There's to be no contact with G.W. Mitchell Construction at 1926 Gulfmart, GULFMART Drive, 78217. In each cause number, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? In each cause number, because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. Yeah, let me just tell you this, but no, people think that I just magically appeared here. There are days I didn't have any money. Now, mind you, I got by on the kindness of strangers because there are days, uh, like when I was at law school, I didn't have money for food. And you know what? The person who was in the cafeteria, they like, Stephanie, this is what we'll do. We will just do an IOU for you, and you could pay us at the end of the week. My mom would send me money in the mail, cash in the mail, right? Wrapped up, and then I would pay them at the end of the week. But if I just ended up in law school and started stealing food, then guess what? That will derail my ability to get a license, because whenever you are labeled as a thief and stealing, your attorney will tell you those are called crimes of moral turpitude. And that is bad to be labeled with that, because basically crimes of moral turpitude is to tell the world you can't be trusted. And anything that you want to do that requires a license, that will pop up that you have a crime of moral turpitude. You can't steal. There are other things that you can do. Some people don't want to do those other things because of their pride. Knock the pride aside. Because what's worse? Knocking your pride aside or going to prison for breaking into some buildings and storage facilities. You better make different choices. Otherwise, you're going to